He was looking kind of cute, bro.
I'm appalled.
Y'all niggas didn't.
Come on, Phil. You on that
keep
gay
moving
shit.
like you're a batty boy. You know that, dog?
You on that gay shit, bro. Oh shit.
There's nothing serious about chill out, bro. I just say you look kind of cute, bro. What's good YouTube, Mr. Tyrekevlogs? We're back with another video for you guys. You understand? We're back. We're starting off the year nice with a prank. You understand me? So y'all probably know this guy that I'm finna prank right now. I'm finna go pick him up right now. Wait, how am I doing this? I'm gonna go about to the yo. We finna do a mukbang real quick. So we're gonna get some food. We're gonna share in the car right here. Yeah, I'll plan it out. But you know him from the reaction video that I did with him and the other dude called No Cap Kobe, right? So Drippy TC, I'm finna do this prank on him right now. The reaction to Trinidad Killer instruction, yeah, that was crazy. Go watch that video if you didn't watch it yet. But I'm finna call this dude a Batman, isn't it? I say. So I'm not sure if he knows what it means or anything. So I'm gonna do it to get his reaction real quick. So I'm driving there right now. You know what I mean? So see what's happening. Please leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. You understand me? By the end of this year we're trying to go to 100K. So let's go. Starting off right. I don't know. Do you think Americans know what a Batman is? You know? If you don't know, I'm gonna put it on the screen. Basically, it means, you know, it's a gay. You understand me? So I'm gonna see his reaction towards that. You know what I mean? Yeah. So tap the like button. Let's go. We are here in the hood right now, in them streets. You understand? We in the cut. But yep. I'll tune you when something interesting is happening. You know what? Enjoy to the montage real quick. Brian car. In the cut.
Alright, go ahead.
Go first, buddy.
Alright. First order. Do you guys got
But we got 3 different.
chicken strips?
How many?
Or 6 piece? 6 piece? Is there a combo with that?
You have a 3 or 5?
You only got 5. Okay, 5 piece? Is that a combo with that?
Yes, you want them famous or spicy?
I want a spicy, like my women.
Alright, and then what's the 2 sides?
Breaking my seat.
I don't, green bean and mashed potato.
What was the size, sir?
Green bean and mashed potato.
And then what's the drink?
Or Sprite.
Alright, anything else for that order?
No, ma'am. How much that cost?
Okay, so the first order is gonna be $10.91.
Damn, y'all charge oddman leg. Okay. Next order.
Can I get a wing at meal, please? Make it 2. Make it 2 wing at meals.
2 of them?
Yeah, man. Fuck yeah. Huh?
Give me 1 second.
This is my bitch card.
Yo, bro, you're wild, bro. Why would you try to sound like a Chinese person?
I was trying to do my best Jamaican.
Alright, so you said 2 wingate meals?
Yeah, please. And could you dip one of them in barbecue sauce?
Alright, what's the side? For the one that dipped in barbecue?
Wings. Double wedges. Yeah.
And then what's the size for the other one?
Same, double wedges.
Anything else for you?
No, that's it.
Alright, so the second order gonna be $16.18.
Thank you. For the drink, we want sweet tea and Coke. Sorry.
Okay, so it's gonna be $20.93.
Damn,
Bumbleclad. Alright, yeah.
they killing your ass, boys.
She was from that car. Yo, bro, what are you on, bro?
Hey, Shorty got the fatty.
Yo, bro,
Nigga, her
this
man's
nigga
is in that
tripping,
car, bro. Dude's crazy as hell.
Hey, roll up the window. Hop out right quick. I gotta piss.
What did you say, nigga?
You feel me?
Yo, you got the camera? Yo.
Hey, bro, can they slow down? I'm finna take your food, nigga. I'm finna take his food. Get this on camera.
What you mean? Get this on camera? We right here at the register, nigga.
I'm finna take his food. That's not the register, nigga. That's
Oh, we can take his food. Shit, sure, nigga.
lock the door.
Bro, how do you want me to do this shit, bro? You not even mic'd. This nigga not even mic'd up or nothing, though.
Fuck. Is he really?
Yo, you're not mic'd. Yo, what the fuck is this nigga? Bro, this nigga not even mic'd up.
Damn! You trying to fuck out of us, bro. You stand the fuck out of the car, nigga. You trying the hell out of us, bro.
Fuck is this nigga on, bro? Hey, yo, you should be recording, be like, yo, who the fuck is this nigga? Hey, yo, bro, be like, yo, who the fuck is this nigga?
Let me back in.
The door's open,
You
bro.
Jamaican. Bumble clock.
Too crazy. Bam! What's good? We're back with the mukbang now, guys. So, finally, we're gonna pick this dude up. But he brought his camera, man, because we're finna go troll in Walmart real quick.
Facts, you know what I'm saying?
Fact, I'm not no cameraman.
Hey, yo, but it's Drippy Zoe,
I'm
bro.
his-
Put some respect on
Show
his
y'all
name,
self
nigga.
out. Sorry, I'm sorry.
his
I'm sorry.
man. Well, No, I'm not no cameraman. I'm not no YouTube. Fuck. let's get right.
Yo,
Nah.
y'all see how this was going at the drive-thru just now. I'm finna put that clip in the video.
Right.
The drive-thru was crazy.
Yo, bro, this nigga is gay, bro.
But yeah, we're here with some Lee's. Bro, where Lee's came from? What the hell?
Yo, bro, if y'all want to see like more funny stuff from me, bro, you know what I'm saying, bro, subscribe to my channel, bro.
This the dude from the
reaction video, bro.
reaction video.
I'm the nigga from the.
This nigga
Drive-thru video.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the drive-thru video.
Yeah. They wait.
Yo, we did it.
They haven't seen that yet, have they?
No, they haven't seen that
Y'all
yet.
niggas don't know about that 2021, bro.
They haven't seen that yet. Crazy, but yeah, guys, we're here with some barbecue chicken wings.
Oh, we can eat, bro.
They get. They get us all fucking. What am I talking about again?
Some bullshit, nigga.
Alright, good. Let's just fuck some food up, bro. This shit can
Let's eat some food, my nigga.
Yeah.
Yo, bro, you know like the reaction video that we filmed? You know like that nigga when we pausing on the nigga with the eyebrow and shit? That nigga was kind of cute, I ain't gonna lie, bro. He was looking kind of cute, bro.
I'm appalled.
Y'all niggas didn't.
So, come on, Phil. You on
Low
that
key
gay
moving
shit.
like you're a batty boy. You know that, dog?
Respect me like that, bro. You're
What
wild.
disrespect
Why
you
you
talking
disrespect
about?
me? Bro, I've been around your ass long enough, bro, to understand your Jamaican slang, bro. I'm not gay.
I'm sorry, bro. I'm just trying to get some content. What? No, you're really moving like a batty man. Now you gonna say it's kind of cute again, dog?
Nah, bro, you're
No,
wild, you're
bro,
wild.
chill, bro.
But I told you, bro, like, bro, it's like the nigga was kind of cute, bro. That's all it was, bro. Like, damn, you saying like you don't know when another nigga's attractive or something like that. You see the light-skinned niggas be taking over and shit, bro. Like, bro, all of the bitches be like looking good and shit. They be like, I don't like light-skinned niggas, but they be the most cutest ones, bro. Word to my mother,
He's really
nigga.
defending himself right now.
No, he defended me though.
Yeah, you was kind of cute, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Hey, yo, you tweaking? Hey, edit that out, please.
Hey, yo, cut that out, cut that out. Bro.
Please don't.
See, I knew you liked that, bro.
I'm eating green beans cause I was smacking.
These motherfuckers tripping.
What the fuck?
These motherfuckers tripping.
Hey, yo, Zoe, you mind if I come down in the back seat?
Yo, what the fuck y'all on, bruh?
What you mean, bro?
What the bumbo class did I deal with, dog?
Oh,
no, what the bumbo class did I deal with, dog?
Bombay boy.
You guys gonna fuck with me right now? You trolling or some shit, bro? What the fuck y'all on?
I'm just eating some.
I'm just eating my food, bro. I'm just honest opinion, bro. You look kind of cute too.
Bruh, if you say I'm cute one more time, bro, I'm gonna beat your ass, bruh.
Nigga, you ain't gonna beat shit, nigga. Stop playing.
Oh, you better shut up.
Oh,
Yeah, I said it, bro. You keep looking back at me. You want a kiss or something, bro?
Bro, get out of the car, bro.
The fuck you talking about?
Bro, get out of the car. Yo.
Hold on, bro.
Bro, come record this shit, bro. I'm gonna kick your ass, bro. Get out of the car, bro.
No,
Get out of the car, bro.
It's a joke.
Get out the car, bro.
Chill, bro. It's
No,
a joke.
no, you can't.
Chill out, bro. Chill. It's a bro. Chill out.
Bro,
chill
no,
out,
get out of the car, bro. No,
Nah, bro,
I'm
you're
not
wild.
serious, bro. Get out of the car, bro.
Bro, chill
I'm
out.
here trying to get some bro, come. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Put this tripod on this shit, bro. Bro, put the tripod on this shit, bro. Bro. Make sure you record this shit.
Oh shit.
There's nothing serious, but chill out, bro. I just say you look kind of cute, bro. Give me
Kicking it. Where you going, bro? You folding.
Bro,
Right.
Recording no more video no more, bro. Fuck this shit, bro. I ain't doing this shit no more, bro. Fuck, bro. Bro, get up.
See, bro, all of the subscribers, bro. I love you guys, bro.
Some gay shit.
Yeah, bro. Come on, bro. Let me get a kiss, bro.
Bro, quit it, bro. What the fuck? No.
You want a kiss? You want a kiss too, bro?
No, move.
Come here. Get back here, bro. Come here.
Sorry.
Bro, let me in.
These motherfuckers are some gay shit.
Bro, let me in. Bro.
I
All
was
I
trying to
said
fucking
that he
move
was just
back
kind of
and these
cute, but
motherfuckers
now we want
extra
to
shit.
bug out. Now let me get inside the car, bro. What's
Hey,
up
bro,
with
you
you?
trying to go inside?
Please?
What you trying to do in Leeds?
I was gonna jump on their counter and be like, fuck this shit.
These guys
Like
crazy.
boot gang.
They really trolling
Bro,
the hell out
man,
of me,
man.
y'all.
You
I
trying to
was
go
trying to
inside
do a
Lee's
mukbang with them
house?
to get y'all hip.
You tweaking. I'm not with that gay shit, bro.
Let's see what they do.
Yes, you is, bro. You with that shit if I say you is.
They call the cops. They call the cops.
Bro, these niggas called the cops, bro.
Hold on.
They call the cops.
Yo, bro, these niggas called the cops on us. Oh shit, nigga, we gotta go. I got in this shit, nigga.
Damn fuck! Get in the car, bruh. See why y'all motherfuckers.